My name is Prathamesh Deshpande. I'm studying Master of Communication at Deakin University with digital media as my major. Communication and media are the two main fields of interest for me, which is why I decided to do my Bachelor of Journalism from the prestigious University of Mumbai from 2015 to 2018. After graduating, I worked in the fields of communication and media as a professional communicator, initially as a journalist and later as the senior communication officer for a not for profit organization operated by one of the most prestigious banks in India, the Kotak Mahindra Bank, from 2018 to 2020. I was involved in a lot of extracurricular activities during my college days from where I did my bachelor's degree from. In the first year of college, I actively participated in Chrysalis 2016, which is an annual management college fest. I had volunteered to work in the public relations, events, and sponsorship teams before stepping out into the professional world. And while still studying my bachelor's degree, I worked as the assistant English editor for my college's broadsheet newspaper RTA. RTA was published annually and was circulated throughout the entire college campus. The following year, I worked as the editor of the English department of the same publication, where I was in charge of directing and coordinating with a team of reporters, designers, and marketers, along with writing news and editorial pieces for the broadsheet newspaper and overseeing its printing. Apart from communication and media, I also have a few other interests that I like to do in my free time or sometimes free my time to do them. I like to play the guitar and sing, do some photography, play video games, read books, and cook. Throughout my time as a media and communication student, I have upgraded my knowledge and capabilities in these fields and developed my skills that would help me in my professional life in the future. The assessment tasks throughout the coursework enabled me to develop my digital literacy. Engaging with a culturally diverse team during my internship enabled me to widen my horizons and become a global citizen. I believe in learning constantly and moving forward, just like Walt Disney has said. We keep moving forward, opening new doors, and doing new things because we're curious, and curiosity leads us down new paths.